Yeah, clean it off.
Yeah, you know, you get so many different ways.
Oh, I know. The mosquitoes and gnats. I don't blame them. Plus, you walk, those little suckers are fast. You walk down those things.
I know, they're all over.
Yeah.
So Johnny today, we miss Johnny.
Yeah, no doubt in that. Okay, so you're set. Tie this off. Loop here, that way, the other way. Loop goes the other way. Down, right. Because you're gonna run your sheet through it. Rabbit comes out the hole, around the tree, back down the same hole.
Sticks his head out the hole.
Yep.
Look,
There we go.
every time to me this is.
We get it. Well, it takes us a little bit, but we get it. I'll get the main in a second here. Here, make yourself useful, Ed.
You got it. They call me the paparazzi. I'm Giuseppe the Sailor Man.